Dito. Boss, buka lang. Boss, buka lang.
Sir,
Sir Diskaya, sir, anong sinabi niyo po kay Secretary Remulla?
kamusta po?
Kamusta, sir?
Sir, kamusta evaluation, sir?
Sir.
Sir Curly, kamusta pong evaluation, sir?
Dahan-dahan lang.
Sir Curly, kamusta pong evaluation with Sec Remulla, sir? Sir, can you share statement?
Thank you po.
Lawrence! Hi, Ma'am Sara. Hi, Ma'am Sara. Good afternoon. Ma'am, kamusta kayo?
Masaya kayo sa meeting?
Ma'am Sara, kamusta kayo, ma'am? Ano statement po?
Anong sinabi niyo kay Secretary Remulla?
Ma'am, kamusta?
Ma'am, okay na kayo?
Ma'am, kamusta kayo?